to make this 3D broken glass pop out effect in Canva, first I will go to elements here, and here I will search for smartphone and click on here, and I will go to graphics and click on see all, and I will use this one. I am using this one because it is a transparent one. Let me show you with another background, and it takes this color. So I will use this one and I will make it bigger. Okay, just place it here, and after that just click on add page, and here change the color to any random color. Let's use this purple color, and after that here come to elements, and here search for call icon and scroll down to find this one. Just place it here, and after that right here message icon and scroll down, and let's use this one, and I will change it to the same color of this one. Okay, and after that I will go to elements again. Here I will type for mail icon. So let's use this one. Okay, and I will use the same icon color. Okay, and after that, and next I will use here camera lens. Okay, and I will use this one. So let's make it to the same size. Okay, just place it here, and after that I will make the background also white like this icon. So now I will click on C to activate a circle here, and I will change it to white color. Okay, and just place it here. Okay, and I will just right click it, go to layer, send to back. Okay, so these icons also became white in the background, and for this one I will click on R to activate a square, and also change the color to white, and just place it here. Okay, like this, and again right click it, send to back. Okay, now select all of them by pressing Ctrl+A here and group them. Okay, and when this is done, just press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste it here, and now I will make it smaller and just bring it here and make it more smaller and just paste it here. So the icons are made here. Now I will write here American Football Stadium. Okay, and this time I will go to photos and click on see all, and as it is a daylight image, so for this I will just use a daylight stadium image, and I will scroll down to find this one. Okay, and I will just place it here, and after that I will just make it bigger, and I will just decrease the transparency to check where it is getting placed. So I will just move it above. Okay, and like this, and after that just crop it. So zoom the image and crop it. Zoom it again and just cover it here. Now after that click on corner rounding and just round the corners so that the image is not getting popped out in the edges. Okay, now increase the transparency, and after that go to edit, and after that go to blur, click on whole image, and here write 20. Okay, and after that just click on this cross icon, and your blur effect is here. Now right click it, go to layer, send to back. Okay, when this is done, after that I will use this image, and the link will be in the description to download this image if you want to use this. It is a free to download, as you can see it is written here. So I will click on this free to download, and after that I will just upload it in my canvas, and after that I will just click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, when the background is removed, just click on 2 times in this BG remover and increase the size of the eraser and erase the football. Click on done, and after that just resize the image according to our requirement. Just crop out the parts which are not required. Okay, let's keep it right here, and after that duplicate it. Okay, just place it here and select this one and decrease it of this transparency to 90. Okay, now after that click on layer and click on show layer and move this one just above the background layer. Okay, so this one is placed. Now I will just crop it here, okay, like this, and select this one, click on 2 times on the BG remover, and now erase all the parts. Now just restore the foot part. Okay, so decrease the brush size and brush out the parts which are required for us to restore. Click on done and just bring it here. Okay, and after that I will just write here broken glass. Okay, and this time I will go to graphics and click on see all, and I will use this one and I will rotate it to 90 degrees and make it smaller. Okay, just make it more smaller. And now after that select this broken glass layer, show layers, and just move it below the foot layer. Okay, so that the foot looks like it is popping out. Now after that I will write here shattered glass. Okay, and I will use this one which says futuristic glass break effect with iridescent prism shards. Okay, and I will use this one and I will just place it here, and after that here I will write again American football. Okay, and I will go to photos and use this football, and I will click on BG remover and I will make it smaller, and I will rotate it according to our requirement and just bring it right here. Okay, and right click it, go to layer, send to back, so that it looks like it is just breaking the glass and the football is popping out. Okay, so like this. Now select the foot layer, only the foot layer, and now select this glass layer and just zoom it so that it looks like it is going beyond the image. So I am cropping it like that, and after that crop the player image also, because the leg part is visible as you can see. So go to layers, show layers, and here I will crop out here. Now go to elements and click on shadow, right here shadow, and go to graphics and click on see all and select this icon. Just place it below the mobile. Okay, and after that duplicate it so that it becomes darker. Okay, now just go to layer, show layers, and select all the shadow layers and group them and move them just below the phone layer, and which looks like this, and just make them smaller, slightly smaller, so that it covers only the phone part. Okay, so this is the pop out effect. Hope you learned something out of it, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.